and then you can't get to it. I guess I'll take the plinth off and see if I can get to that lock shield and stuff, but I might have to try and force it, but it might just hopefully be the TLV that we can. Right, we're on to the next one. So this one, tenants have moved out and reports of some cold radiators not working. They've put it down as balancing the heating system. So I've flipped it on upstairs. It's just got a program upstairs, that's it. And an oil boiler. So this one's getting warm. They said these two get warm up here and the bathroom. This one, I've got my funky carpet protector socks on because these floors have just been cleaned and they are wet. So these are waterproof. So this one here is cold. It's been on about 10 minutes. Some of them are born it's cold. That one's cold. That one's warm in the orange room. There's nothing in there. But this one's interesting. This one's cold, but it goes under and through, and then you can't get to it. I guess I'll take the plinth off and see if I can get to that lock shield and stuff, but I might have to try and force it, but it might just hopefully be the TLV that we can whip off. And out here, there's just a toilet with nothing in, okay. Right. And upstairs, we have got, we'll take a pair of grips now. So let's check up this way. We've got 3 cold down here, 4 up here, and this funky room. Yeah, that's boiling and all the way open. That's not a problem. The bathroom is working and all on. The pump's on maximum. There's not that many rads. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 rads. Not too many. Yeah, this one's lukewarm. Lukewarm? Not even that. Nothing. This one's hot. This one's hot as well. But I've taken the TLV off. So let's start with this one here. This one. So first things we're going to check is let's check that we have got water coming out of here. Yep, water coming out of there. The next thing is to check the TLV. And that is coming through slowly, but you can tell that pin isn't as high as it should be. I think it's getting stuck. Let's see. Yeah, so just as you can tell, it just got stuck down. Now, yeah, straight away, that's getting red hot. So we can move that up and down. So it does move freely. Gonna go get my oil. We'll take that up. A bit of lubrication on for this Regan fan assembly oiler. Woohoo! Nice. So what we're going to do is aim it on there, give it a tiny amount just around there. Turn the light on and with it on there, all we're going to do is we're just going to up and down motion, get that all in there. Already that's feeling a lot better. So that's all good. I'm going to check the TRV's pushing down, which it is. So that's that one done. So we're definitely happy with it. There should be a little, which I'm happy with. So we're going to open all the way to max, place that on so it locates, and just spin that on. Literally that. So it's tight with your fingers and literally 2 mil of a turn just to tighten it on. That's all good. We can turn that one off because we know it's getting hot. So now we're going to turn it off, see if that cools down while we do the rest. Right, what's the next? We've got my little red one. So that one's boiling, and this one's boiling. So let's put this on here. We'll just lubricate the rest. Right, so where are our grips? This one's fine anyway, but just do that. It's aimed at TRV, locate it on, wind it down, right so, tighten it. That's that one done, and we can turn it off. See if that comes down, so make sure the TRV is definitely working. And same with this one. We're going to do the same. Back that off, do that. Bit of oil around there. And then we're going to pumps. Make sure the TRV is working, which it is, all the way to maximum. Line it up. That's definitely on there. Turn that one off. And then we're going to go downstairs, or not, we're going to go to the bathroom, which is, shut up, which is on, lovely, like that, loosen that off, same procedure, bit of that on there. Okay. Lovely. Now we're going to undo that. On there. Turn that to off. The funky blue room. We are going to do the same. One for upstairs. This is actually quite tight on. So again, with our oil, we're just gonna I don't know if that's any better for you. Just put that on there. So it goes all the way around that ring. If you can see it go around that ring. I'm just gonna press it up and down. Quite happy. Turn it off. So now we know the whole of the upstairs has been maintained and they're all switched off. So give that 10 minutes while we do downstairs and we'll come up and make sure they get cold, or colder should we say, because they're all boiling hot up here. So time to tackle downstairs. So this orange room was boiling hot. Yep, still hot, so just going to do the maintenance on this one. Take that off. looks on that. You can hear that stop. Pressure. Because I think this is actually the only one down that's working now, so we'll leave that open. Just for it somewhere to circulate. And we will go open up the 2 living room ones and shut that one off. So, this one's stone cold, this room is just freezing. Feel it's freezing. So, what I'm going to do, all the way open, nothing. So, loosen that off. Check the pin, yeah, the pin's down lower compared to the rest. So we're just going to go over it and just slowly turn and lift. Nothing to, it'll just pop on up. So, with that popped out, just keep a feel on. See if we can feel anything. Yep. The lock-shield side is getting warm, so that's the flow side. So we're just going to pop. Can you hear it? Yeah. Bit of oil on here again. Just going to. Still a little bit sticky, so we're just going to make sure that is definitely in there. Leave that one off, let it flow around. Let's go do the other one, the other side of the room. This one, so we've got 2 flowing, we've got the orange room in this one, freezing cold. Yeah, you can tell that's down low. You can either twist it straight away or you can put your oil on straight away. So when you lift it, it goes in. Once again, we're just going to grab it, and pop straight away. Only got a tiny bit stuck, that one. Just push that up and down. So yeah, let's give it a feel. That is also coming from the lock-shield side. That's getting warm, so we can now happy with that. Just line that up, make sure it's definitely on. Don't cross-thread this. Just till it spins on. Open your grips. Just hold it open, just tiny nip up. Leave that open to get warm. And then we'll do the reverse upstairs. So it opens, and do this one. Back to this one. I'm just going to put the TRV on. Yeah, that radiator's red hot now. Line that mark up. Turn it off. We turn that one off because we know it's warm. Over here, I'm just going to put the TRV on here. This room's now red hot, absolutely boiling. Just put the TRV on, like so. And I'm going to leave that open. We're going to actually go open that living room one. Okay, get these nice and warm in here. Let's actually get these warm, this room warm, because it's actually freezing in here. How's this one doing? Yeah, that's nice and warm as well. It's probably cold because there's a massive 6-inch hole going through the wall. Yeah, let's give this a test. That's all good. Right. So I'm just going to go upstairs and open them up. Oh, no, we're not. We've got the kitchen one to do. We're trying to tackle the kitchen. What are we going to do with this bad boy? Hopefully just TRV stuck, but we shall see. We shall see, we shall see. Upside down now. Loosen that off. Yeah, it's just that TRV again. There you go. she pops. Once she pops, she don't stop. Now we've got to do some upside down lubrication on this one. So we're going to get it around there somehow. Like so. And then get that in there. We can also turn the TRV on and give that a good few turns, make sure that's all okay. Yep. And give that a nip up. So, and this one's getting boiling hot as well. So you can shut it down, open it up, cut it down, open it up. So, right, now we've got heat to them, we now need to make sure when they're all open, they all get warm. So that one's open, so I'm just going to go open all the rest. Make sure they all get warm. These downstairs ones warm. Just going to see if the upstairs ones are cooled off a little by the time we. Yeah, so already I can tell that that's nowhere near as hot as them was. Even that one I've just turned on downstairs. Yeah. So I'm happy with that one. This one being closest to the pump. I'm not too sure about that one. We're going to leave that one for now. This is freezing. Not freezing, but a lot cold compared to that one in that bathroom. That bathroom boiling. But I don't know if it's to, yeah, same again. Can't just keep my hand on this one. And this one, so it's just a bathroom one. Maybe where I've just had one open, it's been passing through the TRV, pushing against it. I'm just going to leave that one off. Yeah, that's boiling. So yeah, that's on still. That's off. We'll give that another 10 minutes, see if that cools down. And I will check back in with you in a bit. I want to see how we get on.